Good day, everyone. We are going to commence our Disciplined Agile Value Stream Consultant learning series. So welcome to it. Today we are going to talk about what is this Disciplined Agile Value Stream Consultant workshop is all about. It's one of the offering by PMI, considered as a top most significantly advanced program offered by PMI when it comes to business agility. So let me help you understand what this program or workshop is all about in this next 4 to 5 minutes. So let me share my screen. All right, so what is a Disciplined Agile Value Stream Consultant program? So PMI has started the journey of upskilling Agile leaders through their roadmap. And when you talk about Disciplined Value Stream Consultant program, this is the one which is sitting here. And it is considered to be the one which help anyone, any senior professional who want to lead Agile transformation, gain all those skills which are required in any Agile or digital transformation programs. So this one is targeted towards Agile consultant, senior leaders who are part of a transformational journey, or anyone who is keen to understand, learn advanced techniques which are based on flow, lean, theory of constraint, human behavior, and organizational design, so on and so forth. Typically, if someone is already working in the agile industry since long time or leading a group of team members, scrum masters, product owners, or perhaps working in an environment where transformation is quite essential and you are the one who is supposed to be at the forefront, this program is going to give you all those tools, techniques, skills to enable that organizational change. So Disciplined Agile Value Stream Consultant program is one which help you to bring in true business agility by focusing on the customer, focusing on the value delivery in a shortest sustainable time. So what will you learn in this program? You'll learn what is the best place to start this journey. You'll also understand that what is required to be successful as a consultant whenever you are talking about agile transformation, and things which are taught in this particular workshop will help you if you are commencing your new agile transformation, or perhaps you have joined as a consultant and you are supporting existing organizations who have taken safe scale agile framework as one of the way to bring in agility, or perhaps there's another agile at scale approach or bespoke approach which is currently at play. So it will help you to identify most effective practices for each situations based on the context, and it will give you understanding about how you can take discipline agiles, this framework agnostic approach when it comes to accelerating value delivery across organization. So this particular workshop doesn't just focus on people, processes, tools, techniques. It goes beyond that. It equips you to tailor your approach when it comes to engaging with key stakeholders, tailor your approach when it comes to starting your engagement at a big organization, define a roadmap, come up with a roadmap which is more inclusive, apply those change management practices so that you face less resistance to change as a consultant. So it's a 3-day workshop, typically done by those who have got at least 3 years of agile experience. You don't need to be agile consultant or coach, even if you are working as a scrum master, or even if you are people leader, manager, working in any enterprise where agile is used, you can definitely go for it. Earlier, there was a prerequisite of having senior scrum master certification by Discipline Agile to appear for this program, but now they have taken it out. If you have got 3 years of industry experience, and you understand fundamentals of agile, lean, and work in agile enterprise, then this is the right fit for you. Again, I will repeat, this is an advanced program targeting on advanced skills which are required when it comes to leading a transformation across organizations or multiple teams. So if you are curious to learn about this and advance your career as a consultant, agile consultant, value stream consultant, then feel free to reach out to us. You can reach out to us on WhatsApp, or we have got US phone number as well. Alternatively, you can just visit our website agilityacademy.com.au. And if you are interested to commence your journey, feel free to even drop us an email. We'll be more than happy to help you. That's it for today. Thank you and have a good one.